kilala si Miss Celia Rodriguez? Sa pagkataas nga ba niya ng kilay? Sa kanyang very unique choices sa headdress? O dahil sa napakakulay niyang buhay bilang isang aktres? Let's find out sa Sine Intriga.
Takot ka ba sa kanya?
Don't put me in his spot.
Miss Celia Rodriguez. Now don't dare forget the miss before her name.
I am the best friend that you can ever have. Huwag mo lang akong babuyin. From directors to producers to stars, walang pwedeng bubaboy sa akin. Wala.
Pero bago siya naging Miss Celia, siya ay naging isang mahaterang bagets muna mula Sorsogon.
I grew up in the hacienda, riding carabaos and horses, climbing trees. Yun ang aking growth na hindi city life. Aggressive, inquisitive, at kung hindi mo ako sagutin, kukulitin kita. Makulit na bata.
Then came the allure of modeling and showbiz.
I wanted to see the world by two things, going into movies and modeling. And that time kasi, kakaunti lang ang models. Ngayon kasi, bagong klase ng patis, may model na, hindi ba? I modeled first before I was in the movies. I make 2-3 movies and then go all over the world. Nung hindi pa uso yung pag-go all over the world, galing na ako dyan. I'm a fan of Hollywood movie stars. I'm a fan. I'm a fan of Gloria Romero. I'm a fan of Nina Blanca.
Abante! Are you out of your mind?
Oh, snobbish. I think I will not say it's right or wrong, but it's better for you to ask people surrounding me if I'm snobbish. But I am one person, if I don't like you, I show it. If I like you, I shower you with affection. I'm a born-again Christian. I do not hate anybody. Hate is a very strong feeling.
Miss Celia versus the late great Miss Rita Gomez. Face to face, but not eye to eye.
Ang differences namin, yung palagi kami nag-argue is intellectual differences. Pero we respect each other. She is one, or the only one I take off my hat off when it comes to intelligence. She's the most intelligent movie actress I have seen.
So how true was that 1971 Famous Awards night agawa ng trophy controversy?
Para tayo nasa komedya nito.
Alam mo, I have corrected that so many times. Her version was this. When they called the Best Actress Award, and now the Best Actress Award, biglang commercial. That's her version, not mine. So, sabi niya, I want to show the public that I'm giving it to her. Eh, nakita, may monitor naman kasi sa baba ng TV, commercial daw. I was not looking, I was so excited, hindi ko tinitingnan. Hindi ko naman tinanong, ba't kami mag-aagawan? Iisa lang yung award, ba't ko naman aagawin? Because she was also nominated for pagdating sa dulo. She was very good there. I saw the movie. Some people are poor losers. I have lost a lot. Okay lang, you know, life is more than awards.
At ang huli nilang pagkikita.
I live in LA, she lived in New York. She was given an honorary something by the Filipino community. And I was the last to greet her among all the guests. The only thing I didn't like is when I hugged her, I said this. These are the very words I said, Rita, for whatever happened between us, I've always been a fan of yours. I was shocked with what she said. She said, I know that. Then I hugged her.
The private Miss Celia.
I am one of those few oldies, I guess, na I always believe that what I owe the public is a good, sincere, and honest performance. Yun lang. After that, my personal life is my own. Maraming artista ngayon na hindi naman artista, babayaran ng mga kung sino-sino para makita ang mga kung ano. What the hell, you know? Anong contribution nito sa movie industry? Sino sila? I won't mention names, but you know whom I mean, you know? Sabi ko, alam mo, hindi nila kasalanan. Kasi sometimes the media kumakagat. And you know why? The envelope, please. Okay, what's the next question?
I can't stand mixing salad with kangkong. Kahit saan mo tingnan, ay nakakatawa.
A consummate artist.
So it all really depends on the reason why you're here. Because if you are here for just for money alone, hindi ka naman tatagal eh. Because their purpose is just to earn money. They don't really love the craft.
A fiery actress.
Why, I don't know, my son. Pero wala nagpapalaya sa kanya rito.
Wala pa akong experience na binastos ako, hindi ako pinansin because I won't let them. I will not let them. I did not have this name, prestige, and idolatry. Ina-idolize ako ng tao para baboyin ninyo because I did not sleep with any producer or director to have my name up there. It took me years and years and years. Ano ba? I will not allow it. I will not allow it. Binaboy mo ako, ihuhulog kita sa pool.
A woman of wisdom.
I'm at peace with myself, with the people surrounding me, with my loved ones, with my children, with the roles that they're giving me, with the respect that you're giving me. So I have no complaint. What will you get out of getting even? You might get hurt more, you know. So I just get ahead. Mamatay ka sa envy.
A gay icon.
I'm not your mother for nothing.
It's an honor. It's an honor to be imitated. It's an honor to hear people say, ako'y bakla ka mukha ni Celia Rodriguez. To me, it's an honor. Oh, but you know, I treat them like my kids. Mag-tomboy, mag-bading. There's no such thing as gender in this world. Everybody's human being loved by God. Sa mga bading na nagmamahal sa akin, mahalin niyo ang sarili niyo bago ako. Mahalin niyo mga kalandian niyo bago ako. Pero wag niyong kalimutan na ang bulsa ay nabubutas. Okay?
Now who's afraid of Miss Celia Rodriguez?
Celia Rodriguez kasi is a complex person eh. I am an enigma. And I don't want people to really know me. To me, there's always a wall. Until I die, people will not really know the real me. I am an enigma.
Oh, and remember this. Charity should always begin with us. Rich.
Love you all. Thank you.
Grabe. Natatandaan ko pa nung first time ko interview si...
Takot ka?
Ay, sabi ko, ano po masasabi niyo kay Alessandra De Rossi? Siya po yung mag-play ng Valentina. Tinignan niya lang ako sabi niya, I am the first Valentina. Siguro mga 3 minutes wala akong sinabi. Parang, okay po, naiintindihan ko po yun. Pero naging close kami ni Tita Celia.
She's really nice. Diba?
Oo.
Nakakwentuhan ko na siya sa isang taping eh. Yung parang
Hindi mo pwedeng sabihin.
Hindi ko pwedeng sabihin. Parang kakaaliw siya. Yung sinabi mo. Very ano siya. Parang,
Very animated siya magkwento.
so tingnan mo nga na parang nakakatakot, di ba? Pero pag nakausap mo, very down to earth. Parang nakakatawa siya.
Hindi mo pwedeng hindi ka magbigay-pugay sa kanya pagdating mo sa set. Tatampo siya.
Oo, nakakatuwa.
Mahal na mahal ko sa Tita Celia.